Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by installing Python 3.10 or later and ensuring the installer adds Python to path so the terminal can call Python. Next, install Visual Studio Code and open your new project folder. This immediately gives you workspace context. Once done, install the official Python extension. This provides linting, debugging, and IntelliSense. Make sure to create a virtual environment in the project folder to isolate packages. The next slide shows how to activate and use it. Now create a virtual environment with Python mvenv. Venv and activate it so packages won't pollute global installs. Activate using the shell command for your OS. Then, in VS Code, press Ctrl+Shift+P and choose Python. Select Interpreter to point to. Venv. Once selected, install dependencies and configure a launch. JSON via run and debug to set breakpoints and environment variables. Make sure to enable linting and format on save. This improves code quality and keeps your workflow smooth. To run your script, use the play button or right-click and choose Run Python File in Terminal. This uses the selected interpreter and shows console output. For automated checks, enable the testing sidebar, detect Pytest or Unitest, and run tests from the UI. When you finish, package or export requirements with pip freeze requirements. TXT. If something fails, first confirm the selected interpreter matches. Venv, check path, and ensure the virtual environment is activated. These are the most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.